Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a fade, but still keep the arches dark on the side. Look where I started my guideline. I left that area by his arches completely dark. So I just started a little further back. That way I give myself room for when I edge the area up. That's usually the biggest mistake that people make. They take their blend too high into that area, and then it's hard for them to get that dark contrast that they're looking for. But here I'm just gonna go through the blending process, and I'm gonna start with the lever fully closed. And I previously just made a guideline with the lever fully open. So all I'm doing now is blending up to that next guideline, and I'm gradually opening the lever. So right here, I open it about 1/4 of the way and continue to blend up. You can also tell that he has a few indentions on the side of his head, so don't mistake those for dark spots. That's just the head shape. That's why it's also very important to have good lighting. Now I finally open it up one more time and go right up under that guideline. And as you can see, you can still see that dark area towards the bottom. That's what I mean by not blending into that area. So now I have on the one guard with the lever fully open, and I am slightly beginning to blend into that area, but the one guard is still going to leave it dark. So the steps with this guard are lever open, then I'm gonna blend at the bottom with the lever closed, and then I'm gonna blend in between with the lever halfway open. So right here you just saw me close it. Another big thing, I get a lot of DMs saying where people will say, I followed your steps, but the blend is not looking the same. It's also about keeping the clipper flush on the head too. You have to actually feed the clipper through the hair. It won't cut unless you're properly placing the angle on the head. And right here, we're halfway with this guard. I'm also going to show you in this haircut, normally I would use a 1.5 guard, but on certain hair textures, you don't have to use a 1.5 guard. So here the lever is halfway closed and I'm smoothing down the sides. And then I gradually close it. Right here, I do believe it's closed, just to get a little bit closer. The way I'm going to get away without using the 1.5 guard is all about the placement. So see, I'm not digging into the head shape. I'm literally just letting it flow with the shape of his head. So I'm not creating a new line. I'm just softening up the top where that weight is. And the lever is fully open, by the way. See right here, that's a good demonstration of how I'm not creating a line. I'm just letting it flow with the shape of his head. And then right here, I was just touching up a few dark spots. Some people detail after they do the entire head. I detail as I go. So right here, finally, I'm gonna take the half guard with the lever halfway open and clean up the bottom of the blend. I'm making sure that I'm not going higher than that one guard closed, because then that would be making me raise the fade, and that's what I don't want to do. And at this point, it's just cleanup work. Now the lever is fully closed. And finally, I like to use my fast speeds just to polish the fade, just to give it that blurry look. Okay, right here you'll see that I have that area still dark, so once I put the edges on his lineup, it will still come out crispy. I always prep lineups by spraying alcohol and following that up with holding spray and a blow dryer to freeze the hair in place. And if you guys have been watching this channel, then you know that my method is to start in the middle and work your way either right or left. So right here, I'm gonna start at the top and make my way down through the arch. Then I'm gonna comb the hair and start back at the bottom. I feel that by starting at the bottom and going against the grain, it makes that arch a little bit more crispy. And then now we're gonna hit the vertical bars. You wanna get those corners as sharp as you can without digging too much. And you'll see that you have that nice dark arch. And I didn't have to use any enhancements. So this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you got value out of this video and you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Comment what other videos you guys want to see, and I will see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.